Indigo Card is a credit card option designed for people who are looking for access to credit while building or rebuilding their credit history. By the end, you'll know how Indigo Card works, who it may help, and what to check before deciding if it is a good starter card for you. A starter credit card is usually judged by three things: approval access, account costs, and whether it helps you build better credit habits. For people with limited credit history, getting approved for traditional credit cards can be challenging because lenders often rely on past credit activity when making decisions. Cards like Indigo are designed for consumers who may have fewer options. The main benefit of a starter card is the opportunity to establish a record of managing credit. Making payments on time and using the account responsibly can help create positive credit habits. Before applying for Indigo Card, review the current card terms carefully. Check the annual fee, interest rate, credit limit, and any additional charges because these details determine the real cost of keeping the account. A card can be useful if it gives you access to credit that fits your situation. It can be less valuable if the fees are high compared with other cards you may qualify for. You should also compare Indigo with other beginner credit cards before making a decision. Look at what each card offers, how much it costs, and whether the account supports your goal of building credit. The best starter card is not always the one that is easiest to get approved for. The better choice is the card that you can manage responsibly while avoiding unnecessary costs. Indigo Card may make sense for someone who needs a credit-building option and wants a card designed around limited credit access. It may not be the best option for someone who qualifies for cards with better terms, lower costs, or more useful features. Your credit progress depends on how you handle the account. Paying on time, staying within your budget, and understanding the card rules matter more than simply opening a new credit card. So, is Indigo Card a good starter card in 2026? It can be a reasonable option for some people building credit, but the value depends on the specific offer and your financial situation. Before applying, compare the latest Indigo Card details with other starter cards and choose the option that matches your needs. If this helped you understand Indigo Card better, like the video and subscribe for more simple reviews of financial products.